Hi guys, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to remove phone number from Google account. Let's start this tutorial by opening the Google on your device and log into your Google account. As for this device, I'm already signed in, so let's proceed. Now, simply tap your profile icon at the top right corner. Next, tap the Manage Your Google Account button under your name above. Now, it will redirect you to this page. Simply tap on Personal Info option right here. Next, scroll down to Contact Info and you'll see the phone option, then tap it. Now that you wish to remove and tap it. You'll see the delete icon on the upper right part. Then tap the delete icon and if prompted, then simply enter your Google account password to verify that it's you. After that, then tap again to delete, then confirm by tapping the remove number button. That's it. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, drop them below. Thank you so much.